Hi everyone, I'm Divyang Khandelwal from Division Math Academy. So I just wanted to tell you that I have introduced you to the two courses which you can access for free. So one of the courses is this, which is your AdMath final course for 2023. Now it includes all the topics which are binomial theorem, permutation functions and all of these things, which you can check it out here. And apart from this, you will also get the past papers topic wise sorted from 2016 to 20. So your task is simple, that all you have to do is you just have to do all these papers, which as you can see it is paper 1, permutation combination along with the mark scheme, then circular measure paper 1 along with the mark scheme. Along with that we have this paper 2 as well. So total there are 28 documents which consist of 14 question sets and 14 mark scheme for paper 1, and similarly that is there for paper 2. But the thing is, we don't have that much amount of time which we can utilize for doing all the classes whichever are there, like sequences, series, binomial, permutation, everything uh, properly. So what we can do, we can always go through this second course which I have built, which is your revision course. So this revision course is AdMath 606 revision course, which you can find it on website, and it is absolutely free. So all you have to do is you just have to follow this simple structure. The structure is here, as you can see, there is this trigonometry. If I consider one of the example, so you can see there is this trigonometry summary, then you have this complete theory of trigonometry. So this consists only of 19 minutes 53 seconds, as you can see. So 20 minutes the whole trigonometric theory will be done. I know the topic is huge, but still I have covered it in 20 minutes. After that, what you have to do, you just have to go through these simple 7-8 questions. They're not simple, I would say, but these 7-8 questions will cover almost 80 to 90% of the syllabus. Okay, then these problems are in such a way that all the topics, all the subtopics of that trigonometry will be done. And then you have this video also, to where I have solved everything, which is of 30 minutes, I would say. So 50 minutes your trigonometry is done. And then I have also uploaded the one which I have solved those 8 questions, that also I have uploaded. Now if you want to test yourself, definitely you can go for FRWS. FR stands for final revision. So there again I have just given you 5 to 6 questions which you can try it on your own, and you can verify it with the mark scheme. Now if you do this for all the topics, and definitely I'm gonna upload for all the topics, and if you are able to solve this much, then definitely you will be able to score well in your final. So all the best everyone. If you really like this content, and if you want me to upload such more contents, then please like, comment and subscribe, and definitely share it with your friends. Second thing, that I am also uploading some of the fully solved past papers. Generally I'll keep it in 1 hour, so in 1 hour you will be able to solve the whole paper, which consists of 2 hours. So 2022 is already uploaded. With time I'll upload 2022 October, November, as well as 2023 March. So stay subscribed, and if you really like the content, then definitely share it with your friends. Thank you.